Beginning one's financial journey with nothing but debt may appear to be an insurmountable obstacle. Even with $0 to begin with, it is, nonetheless, wholly possible to initiate a journey toward financial prosperity with the proper strategies, mindset, and resolve. This exhaustive guide aims to simplify and promote the process of accumulating wealth from nothing by examining practical strategies and tried and true methods. All facets of wealth accumulation will be examined in depth, including the need to adopt an abundance mindset, maximize earning potential, make the most of free resources, and prioritize long-term growth. Irrespective of one's level of experience in personal finance or desire to reestablish financial discipline, this guide shall furnish the necessary insights and instruments to propel one toward achieving financial prosperity. Please join us as we explore the fundamentals of accumulating wealth starting from nothing, providing you with practical guidance, implementable tactics, and invaluable perspectives to assist you in attaining your financial objectives. You can achieve your financial goals regardless of your starting point, provided that you apply diligence, perseverance, and receive appropriate guidance. Detailed instructions on how to amass fortune from scratch are provided below. 1. Modify your mindset. Developing prosperity with no capital is contingent upon adopting the proper mindset. Developing the mindset that financial success is achievable regardless of one's initial circumstances is essential. Adopt a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity and commit to taking proactive steps toward financial expansion. By adopting an abundance mindset and undergoing a paradigm shift, one establishes the groundwork for making substantial progress towards their financial objectives, irrespective of their present financial situation. 2. Obtain an education. Acquiring prosperity requires the capitalization of one's knowledge. Leverage a plethora of freely available resources, including articles, online courses, books, and lectures, to comprehend the complexities of personal finance, investment strategies, and wealth-building methodologies. Develop a profound understanding of financial concepts in order to enable yourself to make informed decisions. By dedicating yourself to ongoing education and striving for personal growth, you provide yourself with the essential skills to effectively navigate the intricacies of accumulating wealth. Regardless of your starting point, you are well positioned to make well-informed decisions that advance your wealth-building objectives if you possess a strong foundation of financial knowledge. 3. Set clear goals. Define precise objectives. Establishing precise financial objectives is critical for accumulating wealth. Define your aspirations, which may include establishing a comfortable retirement, financing a down payment on a property, or starting a business. Achievable and specific objectives serve as a source of inspiration and guidance for one's financial decisions and activities. You're able to concentrate your efforts and resources on attaining these milestones when you have a well-defined roadmap. Whether embarking on a new financial journey or seeking to improve one's financial standing, the ability to establish unambiguous objectives enables one to systematically accumulate wealth and attain enduring financial prosperity. 4. Establish a budget. Efficient financial administration remains vital, notwithstanding the absence of income. Commence the process by conducting a thorough expense monitoring exercise, identifying specific areas that may offer potential cost savings. Put fundamental necessities such as shelter and sustenance first, and invest any excess funds in savings and investments. Through careful examination of expenditure patterns and the prioritization of critical financial obligations, one can maximize the utilization of resources for subsequent expansion. Although initially limited in income, establishing a prudent budget establishes the foundation for long-term financial stability and the accumulation of wealth. 5. Maximize your earning potential. To optimize one's earning potential, actively pursue opportunities that generate income, even in the absence of initial resources. Consider contract platforms, freelancing, and part-time employment as ways to supplement income. Leverage your expertise to develop marketable products or provide valuable services. It is possible to generate income in the absence of initial capital by placing your skills and ingenuity to use. Leverage opportunities to monetize your abilities and embrace your creativity in order to progressively increase your earning potential. By adopting a proactive approach and demonstrating a readiness to investigate various opportunities, one can initiate the process of establishing a financial foundation. 6. Start small. It is advisable to commence wealth accumulation with a modest yet practicable sum of money saved and invested. A few dollars per week even can accumulate substantially over time. To initiate growth, one might contemplate opening a high-yield savings account or allocating funds to low-cost index funds. Establishing a modest investment portfolio cultivates the development of disciplined saving practices and provides an introduction to the realm of investing. By exercising regularity and perseverance, these preliminary measures establish the foundation for sustained financial stability and expansion. Bear in mind that each contribution, irrespective of magnitude, aids in the accumulation of wealth and the guarantee of one's financial prospects. 7. Utilize freely available resources. Utilize freely accessible programs and resources to assist in the accumulation of wealth. A multitude of financial institutions provide free seminars on financial education, whereas community organizations offer support in the areas of budgeting and saving. Utilize these resources to obtain invaluable guidance and information in your pursuit of amassing wealth. By utilizing these cost-free resources, one can augment their financial literacy and obtain customized assistance. It is highly advisable to seize opportunities for education and support, as they can significantly empower one to accomplish financial objectives despite facing constraints on resources. 8. Emphasize long-term growth. When accumulating wealth, prioritize long-term growth over short-term gains. Demonstrate perseverance and steadfast dedication to your financial goals, even in the face of sluggish advancements. Strive for ongoing education, conscientious saving, and shrewd investment in order to progressively increase your wealth as time passes. By consistently prioritizing long-term objectives and exercising sound judgment in one's financial choices, one establishes the foundation for the sustainable accumulation of wealth. It is important to bear in mind that accumulating wealth is a process that takes time rather than a quick fix. Sustaining your progress through strategic forethought and diligent effort will ultimately culminate in achieving financial success. 9. Avoid debt. It is advisable to minimize debt in order to expedite endeavors related to wealth accumulation. Avoid credit card debt and high-interest loans in favor of spending prudently and within your financial means. Prioritize the prompt settlement of existing debts in order to liberate capital for investment purposes. By avoiding debt and living within your financial means, you preserve capital for future endeavors that generate wealth. Adopt a judicious approach to financial management and frugality in order to circumvent the drawbacks of amassing debt, thereby allowing one to allocate funds towards assets that experience gradual appreciation. Adopting a debt-free strategy creates favorable conditions for increased financial stability and expanded prospects for the strategic accumulation of long-term wealth. 10. Remain resolute and persistent. Conquer the obstacles associated with accumulating wealth from the ground up, acknowledging that setbacks are an integral component of the process. Develop a strong sense of resilience and resolute determination, remaining unaffected by transient challenges. Sustain a steadfast dedication to developing wealth and maintain a crystal-clear understanding of your long-term goals. Accept setbacks as valuable learning experiences, adapting your approaches accordingly while maintaining focus on your overarching objectives. By fostering perseverance and fortitude, one strengthens their ability to overcome challenges and maintains a steadfast commitment to achieving financial prosperity. Keep in mind that the path to prosperity may be arduous, but you can achieve your goals and triumph over obstacles with perseverance and fortitude. It may require perseverance, ingenuity, and patience to amass wealth with no capital outlay, but it is feasible with the proper mentality and strategy. You can attain your financial objectives and progressively increase your net worth through self-education, earning potential maximization, and prudent financial decision-making. Regardless of your starting point, whether burdened by debt or lacking financial resources, the principles outlined in this guide can serve as a roadmap to achieving your financial goals. With diligence, perseverance, and a commitment to financial empowerment, you can pave the way towards a brighter financial future and realize your aspirations of wealth accumulation. Remember, it's not about where you start, but the steps you take towards your financial objectives that matter most. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.